Here's an easy trading strategy. Hi, it's Charlie giving you Saturday's video, and I hope you're very well. Now, we know that the masses tend to be on the wrong side of the market. So let me just show you exactly what the masses do. I've got a chart of the euro dollar up here, and so I'm just going to show you what the masses are doing right now. Yep, this is a chart which is provided by FXCM's speculative sentiment index, and it shows the net longs and net shorts. So when these histogram bars are red, it means that overall across all of their clients they are net short. So that doesn't mean to say they're not going to have clients who are long, but the majority more are short than are long. And when the price bars go green or blue, whatever color that is, then more are long than short. And so what you tend to see is that if we take this back a little bit here, you see that as soon as price starts going up, traders, retail traders, start doing the opposite. So they start going short as price starts going up. And then, of course, they've built up quite a large short position or net overall net short. So it takes some time, even as price starts coming down. But you can see that as price is coming down, you'd think they'd be increasing their short position, wouldn't you? No, because what they're starting to do is panic out of their shorts as price starts coming down. They have this relief. Oh, crikey, I'm back out at break even or whatever. Or they start thinking, right, oh, it's going to go up now, and they want to buy then. So, and that tends to be what happens. So again, when the euro dollar started breaking down just a couple of weeks ago, they ended up net long, and they're now currently net long. And if euro dollar started going up, then they would naturally this would start to come off because they would start shorting as price comes up. And that's just natural ebb and flow of what retail traders do. However, what's the strategy for today? Well, the strategy for today is not against the retail traders. No. The strategy today is against the banks. Okay, so I just saw this past week that Deutsche Bank's FX trade recommendations for the year so far are a total of 20 trades with 3 winners, 17 losers, and an average P&L per trade of minus 0.9%. There you go. Easy strategy. Follow what Deutsche Bank do and do the opposite. Easiest strategy in the world. I've done this with other people even recently, and it works. It's the easiest way to make money. And so there you go. Easy strategy. Follow Deutsche Bank and do the opposite of their trade recommendations. Simple one here for you today. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. I'll see you next week.